I never looked at the call button yet. Ooh, Series 220. Ooh. Oh, this looks crazy. Series with the rare indicator. That's funny. Oh, it does work. I don't know what story this is. I just walked into it. I like how all this moves when the elevator is moving. Like, you can really get an idea of what this thing looks like. McDonald's has something similar to this, but it's not as nice as this, clearly. One more time and that's it. Watch. That's just funny. This is funny. Oh. Alright. Series 220 buttons. The only other place I've ever seen these is in Turks and Caicos. It's got a pretty rare. I heard this is a very rare indicator. It's interesting. Not really any good places. Where's the button? Okay, I'm gonna figure out what place this is in a second. Just before I end. Let's see what it is. There. Alright, I skipped this place when I came too. Alright, anyways, that's it.